Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'm going to show you on how to create a one product Shopify store. So I will be teaching you on how to design a dropshipping Shopify website. So this website is specifically for one product Shopify stores. So by this tutorial, it is not just limited to dropshipping stores. So if you have a regular e-commerce business or print-demand store, you can still follow this guide. So now I will be teaching you on how to connect a product from AliExpress to Shopify. So I'll be using the platform Leasers, and this is a platform perfect for connecting AliExpress products to your Shopify store. The first is you're going to set up a free account, and then you're going to select which platform you're using, and this will take you to Shopify App Store where you can install Leasers into your store. And under link to suppliers, you can select the AliExpress. Then you'll be redirected to a page where you can log into your AliExpress account, and that will automatically connect to your Deezer's account. Now, once you open Deezer's, you're going to want to install the Chrome extension. Click Add to Chrome, and then the Chrome extension, you're going to want to re-log into your Deezer account. This way, when you're searching for a product on AliExpress, you'll have the option to add the product to your Deezer's account. Now let's go back to Deezer's, and you're going to go to import list, and this will show you the products that you've imported. And then to add this product to your Shopify store, you're just going to click this icon right here, and be sure to select the also publish to online store, as well as the store selection at the top before you can click on the push to stores option. Back here on Shopify, just click on the products, then click on that product, and here is where you can customize the appearance of their product. So here I'm going to change the format of the product description. So I'm just going to highlight these text and then select this format at the top center and select the format that you want. You can also simplify the description of the product by using an online tool to make your job easier. Then right after that, you will then just have to paste it here. You can also delete some of the cover photos or rearrange them. Okay, so you will then just have to click on the cover photos that you want to delete and then click on the delete button. So here I will just going to arrange the cover photos. You can also add from URL. So for the product variants, you can click on here and you can set your price for the product. And you can also add or remove the different colors or sizing of the variant. Now I'll be showing you on how to connect the reviews from AliExpress to this product on your Shopify store. So I'm going to use the app Looks to connect the AliExpress product reviews. So you're going to open Shopify App Store, then install the app Looks. Now click on the Add Looks to your theme. Now open Reviews and then click on Import Reviews. Now you're going to drag and drop this icon to your bookmark section. And on AliExpress, you're going to open up that product and open that bookmark. Select the product you're drop shipping and how many reviews you'd like to import. And let's go and click on the preview and import. And then you can manually select which reviews you'd like to approve. Then you're going to open the Dawn Shopify theme that we installed earlier, and then click on the add section to templates and then click on the featured product, and this is where you can select that product. And when you click this mobile icon, it will show you how the mobile version of the website will look. So this will be the homepage slash sales page of your website. When visitors click the view full details, it will open the full product page. And here under the title of the product, I'm going to select a Looks Reviews Trust Badge. And that's how to embed those reviews straight from AliExpress. Here at the bottom, I am going to import another trust badge. And under the align, I am going to select fill container. And then you will have a simplistic reviews section along with the clickable reviews badge. Next is setting up shop policies or return policies. Click settings and then open your shop policies. And here you can write your return and refund policy, your terms of service policy, and your shipping policy. And they do have the full templates that you can use. So open online store, then navigation, and then open your footer menu. And here you can import each of those policy and then click on the save menu. And when you open your website theme right here under the footer, click the add block option, then select menu. And I am going to remove the title of this section. And this will take users straight to those policy pages. Here I am going to show you on how to customize the main menu, open the online store, then navigation. Then open the main menu and then remove the catalog section. Then here you can upload your product. This way, the customers will be able to open your product here. And here to fulfill an order, you're going to open Deezers, click open orders, and you can view your new orders and submit the payment for them under the awaiting payment. Now I am showing you on how to design your sales page. First, I'm going to click on this header under the desktop logo position. I'm going to set this to middle center. And under the desktop menu type, I'm going to set this to drawer. And then click on the announce menu bar. And here I'm going to display the social media icons. So click theme settings, then social media. And here you can paste the links to your brand social media accounts. And the clickable social media handles will display on the announcement bar of your website and down here. Now click the colors, then open the color scheme too, and I'm going to set this background to my one so you can set this up according to the color of your brand. Now let's just turn off the sticky header, so just click on the none option. Now click on settings and then click on logo and then select image and upload here the logo that you need. Here I'm going to click on the image banner and I'm going to remove the image overlay opacity and I'm going to remove this text box and the button label. Now I'll be using Canva to design my main web banner. So as you can see, I'm just using a black background and change the color to the product that is related to the product that I am selling. Then you can resize it, you can cut out the product, and of course, you can use the different font style. That a neat and clean web banner on the main page of a website holds paramount importance in creating a positive and lasting impression in visitors. The web banner serves as a digital storefront, the first visual encounter users have with the site. It is because a clean web banner design not only showcases the brand's identity effectively, but also contributes to faster loading times, crucial for retaining impatient online audiences. So after finalizing everything here, you can just click on the share button and then click on the download button and save your changes. And then after that, let's go back to our Shopify store. Now just click on the select image and then upload the web banner that we have created. And then on the banner height, just click on adapt to first image. And now to create the ship quality section right here, I'm going to add a multi-column, remove the heading and the button label, and increase the number of columns to 4. And I'm going to remove the column background and set the column alignment to center. Then under the heading, you can type in the quality that your shop has to offer. Now I'm going to change this section right here to color scheme 2. And then here on Canva, I'll be showing you how I design those icons. So I just use a circular shape and duplicate this one and then use the other one as the background. And after that, just select the icon that you need and then you can just put it here and then change the color and resize it. So just do the same to the other icons as well. And then just click on select image and upload your image right here. And for the image width, you just select the half width of the column and it will look like this. Now I'm going to add an image banner section and I'm going to remove the text and the button labels. And back here on Canva, we'll be editing a new image banner. So let's just go and search for abstract or anything that you can design. So I'll be using this and then change the color accordingly. Now I am going to upload a frame and drag the photo that I will be using for this web banner. And then I'll upload a shape and then change the color and turn this into the background. and upload a text box, apply the font Futura, then put this uppercase and upload another text box. And I'm going to apply the font, the signature. Then I'm going to upload another text box, then put this in a bold, then uppercase. And here you can type in some of your product features. Under shapes, I'm going to upload a circle shape, and then I'm going to upload a check mark icon. And you're going to select and then duplicate these icons. And once you've finished, you're going to download this page. So just click on the share button and then click on the download button. Here, just click on the select image and then upload the image that we have created and change the banner height to adapt to first image. Next, I'm going to add another image banner section and I'm going to remove the container on desktop. Here you can insert your text, then retitle the link button labels. I'm going to set this to color scheme 2 and change the color of the background as well as the solid button background. Back here in Canva, I'm going to click the add page and then change the background to the color accordingly and then upload a square frame, and you can design this page however you would like. So I'm going to be duplicating this and reducing the opacity, and then you can drag and drop your pictures onto the frames and upload a text box. Here you can type in the name of your business, and I'm going to apply the font, the signature. Next, I'm going to download this page. And back here in Shopify, I'm going to upload that background image. Then under the image behavior, I'm going to apply the zoom in on scroll. And above the section, I'm going to add a rich text. And I'm going to remove all of the text and the button label. Then I'm going to repeat that step right below the section that will create a white border. Then I'm going to open typography and I'm going to change the main font to DM Sans Bold, and I'm going to change the secondary font to Assistant Bold. Then I'm going to add a multi-column and then set this color to Scheme 2. Then you can retitle the section, then you can retitle and link the button label. I'm going also to increase the number of columns to 4, and I'm going to set the column alignment to center. And right here, you can display 4 of those reviews. So under heading, I'm going to be passing the star emojis to represent the customer's rating. Then when you open those AliExpress reviews, you can copy and paste the reviews that you'd like to display. Here I'm going to add another image banner, and I'm going to remove the container on desktop and the container on mobile. And I'm going to set this to color scheme 2, then you can insert your text and link the button label. Here in Canva, you can upload the images that you need, and you can download this page and upload this into the About Us section. Back here in Shopify, I'm just going to select the image and upload the image that we have created for the About Us section. Under the image behavior, I'm going to apply the fixed background position. Next, I'm going to be adding an email sign up. After that, just open the colors and then go to the color scheme 3 and then apply the gradient background. And the gradient is going to be the color that is related to your product. Now let's go back to Canva and upload a text box and apply the font, the signature. Upload another text box and put this in an uppercase and apply the font Futura. Then I'm going to duplicate this and create a smaller text right below it. And I'm going to upload another text box. And here you can type in your TikTok username. And I'll upload a square shape, change this to color black, then apply a white border. Then you can search for the TikTok icon and upload one of this. Then you're going to open the frames and upload a phone shape. Then under the videos, you can drag and drop any videos into these frames. Then you're going to download this in an MP4 format. And then here on Shopify, I'm going to add a video section and I'm going to remove the heading. Then set this to color scheme 2 and I'm going to select the play video on loop. Then I am going to add a rich text and I'm going to remove the text and apply the color scheme 2. Then you can retitle this section and apply the outline button style. Then paste the link leading straight to your TikTok. So before that, let's change the title of the button label. Okay, don't forget to paste the first button link. And then right after finalizing everything here, you can then go back here and then click on the video section and upload your video right here. And as you can see, we have finally created a one product Shopify store. And here is how it looks like in mobile view and for the PC view. Take note that you're the only one who can decide if what color scheme are you going to use and what will be the adjustment of the text, as long as you think that it is applicable and it will help you to gain more sales, then do it. So make sure that you have followed all of those steps so you could connect your AliExpress to Shopify, and then edit the product page, and then designing the product sales page. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.